Here I have a Stanley number 700 wood vise, and you would mount this to your workbench with the little mount here. It has a protective surface for your wood projects. You can see a little bit of red paint in there, that detail. And you can clamp this onto your workbench, probably on a corner. I mean, I'm not on a corner. It's made in the United States. On a corner, but I'm not on the corner of my workmate. And it was a vise to work on wood projects. Probably for the home workbench or home woodshop or portable wood vise. But a very unique piece that I came across, and I just wanted to share it with you. I'll probably keep it because it is unique, and I will more than likely use it. Not sure how, but I might.